Students, in the second part, we have to continue this lesson, Be Smart. In the first part, we have seen that some people fear or failure to accept the challenge with them. In mind of them, there is the fear of the failureness, but we have to overcome these obstacles with us. We must be confident among ourselves, and then we see the 5 steps of SMART goals, which gives us the more motivation among you, the stimulation with you, and these 5 goals or 5 SMART goals, we are going to see it. We'll see it in detail. See page number 22. SMART goals have a specific rubric. The word rubric here, we have some limitations. We have the guidelines. And by those guidelines, we have to overcome all of our odds, all of our own the obstacles with us. And so, first one, that is, means from SMART, the first one, that is specific. What is specific here? Specific stands for, means S stands for specific, and it means तुमचे ध्येय नेमके आणि निश्चित असले पाहिजे. In this particular thing, we know about that we have to define our specific area, and then afterwards we are going to improve among it. In it means what here? We have to see our weaknesses, we have to see our strength, and then we have to make our weaknesses into strength. Understand? And so here, first of all, we will read it, and afterwards we will see the details of it. Okay? SMART goals have a specific rubric. S stands for specific. आपलं ध्येय हे नेमकं आणि निश्चित असावं. M stands for measurable, that is मोजता येण्याजोगं. Third, achievable, that is ध्येय साध्य करता येण्याजोगं असावं. Fourth one, that is realistic, means it must be वास्तववादी असावं, व्यवहार्य असावं. And fifth one, that is time bound. What is time bound here? Time bound means आपल्या ध्येयाला वेळेचं बंधन असावं. Means these are the 5 the rubric with us, and we have to see it in detail. Okay, and it's on page number 22. See your own textbook, open it, page number 22, the second part of our lesson. Specific involves identifying a specific area for improvement. The more specific the area, the more refined the achievement of one's goal can be. It makes it easier to set parameters and work towards the goal. For example, if it is a building house, what exactly is the capacity required and how long can it stretch? This one is the question for you. If the builder wants to build a new building, then he must know about the area, in which area he wants to build the new things. Where is the kitchen, where is the hall, where is the dining, what the particular requirement of that family and all. Means the builder has to decide his own area, his own budget, his own nature, and what the fulfillment of his own, that the means the requirement of his own the things. See, but as the students, what is our requirement? Our requirement is we have to set our goal. We have to set our parameter. दुसऱ्याच्या मोजपट्टीनं आपण कधीही आपल्याला मोजायचं नाही. That is very important in life. Someone is running, but we have to slow but steady wins the race. That is the remarkable story in our childhood. That is the message by that story for us. And so, when we are building our career, when we are focused on our own the character, that time we have to see our own area. First of all, we have to think upon which field is the best field to be or to do the career in that particular field. That is my area. And so, I have to see my parameter. I have to see my own the measurement, and then I will be success to choose my own the field. Second one here, that is measurable. Here measurable means what? मोजता येण्याजोगे. Means you have your own goal with you which you will going to measure it. What is the measurement here? What the particular thing tells here is that we'll see the paragraph. We'll see the more information about it. Quantifying goals provides specific ways to track progress against goals. This makes it easy to benchmark performance throughout the goal period, including areas to improve. While playing football, one's exact role and position has to be clearly defined. Here, very good example for us. If we are the football player, we must be attentive on the playground. We must do the goals. We have to protect for our own the team. To protect for our the playmates. And so we have to assess it. What is the perfect word here? On page number 22, you will see the word benchmark. Benchmark means here the word gives us the information about to assess or to evaluate, or the standard by which something can be measured or judged. Means we have to see our own the measurement with it. Very simple example we are going to take. If you get in the first unit test 17 marks or 13 marks out of 20. It is the measurement of you. But you must get out of marks in semester number 1 in that particular exam. Then what you will do? You have to make your own efforts. You have to do your own activities. You have to make your own the timetable with you, and then you will success in that particular position, or you will achieve such the out marks in this. Marks is not the very important in life, but you must have your own skills with you. We have already seen the 21st century skills with us, and so all of you are going to remember it unto the last. The third, the achievable. Our third rubric is achievable. Means we have to set our goals, and those goals which we are going to complete it. Baka. Every morning we wake up with that the mood to go to the exercise. To do the exercise on the playground or wherever it may be. But it will continue only 2 to 3 days. And afterwards, it will vanish or it disappears. Means our lifestyles tells us that it is not done by me. I will not do this. But here, the goal, it must be achievable. We have to complete the goal within the designated period of time. It's very important. सरड्याची धाव कुंपणापर्यंत. Friends, what is the proverb tells us? If म्हणजे जर सरड्यानं असं समजलं लक्षात ठेवलं की we are going to participate in the marathon, is it possible for it? No, it's impossible. And so here every time we have to plunge the stepping stone and we have to make broader our goals and to define our career. See, one example for you, or one that the particular line for you. That line tells here, as students, we can't become a president, a prime minister, but can hope to reach those heights in future. Now you are students. You are studying in 10th standard. You have your own that the objectives of your life. You have your own goal to be whatever it may be. Yeah, means someone will be doctor, someone will be that the engineer, whatever it may be, means whatever field you are going to do, or you are going to do your career in which the field. But it is very important that this means your practice or your consistency, your perseverance, your hard work, these are the necessary things to plunge your goal, to success your goal. And so there is a proverb in English too, low aim is a crime. You don't have your own aim low. Low aim is a crime. It is just as the crime. So keep an eye on the prestigious chair and administrative posts. That is the demand of this lesson. Why such type of lesson includes here in our syllabus? To make you aware about your own that the serving to the motherland. It is one of the way to serve our motherland, and so it is very important that our goals must be achievable. The fourth rubric is realistic. What is the word realistic tells here? वास्तववादी असावं, ते व्यवहार्य असावं. Means we must have our own capacity, our ability, our own that the area. And so here we take the means the opinion of our expertise with us. And so here realistic, it is important to create goals that are within one's current skill set or area of expertise. Building expertise takes time. So expecting to become an expert in a short amount of time is unrealistic. Being realistic will make it easy to be successful at attaining goals. If defensive and not aggressive, the goal perhaps lacks realism. We must have the clear picture in mind, and you must have the ability to adhere to that picture. See, what is the message? What is the particular information here in this particular topic? We see the picture of our own. What am I in my own, that the grown up, as the adult, where I am. मी कुठं असलं पाहिजे, मी कोणत्या ठिकाणी असावं. And that's depend here in the present. It's depend on such the situation. When and what you are doing in that the particular present situation, you will achieve something good, something better, something best in your life, in your future. And so adhere means here to stick or to be loyal with your own picture. What the picture of you in your own mind? Make the picture of it where you are, and do such activities to get such a type of the picture with you, or the result with you. And so it in the another world, that realistic means result oriented work. It demands the result oriented work. You own that the particular path, you own that the style, you own that the work which is very necessary to build your own career. And the fifth, that is very important, that is time bound. Here time bound means we have to means make our own that the limitations for our own that the period, or for that our own goal. If we want to pass in this particular time, means 1 year is sufficient for it. 365 days in 1 year, and so we have to apply these days for to see or to learn new things in that particular thing. And so आपल्या ध्येयाला वेळेचं बंधन असावं, म्हणजे टाइम बाउंड here gives the information about that. Establish time parameters around each goal, as it will help increase focus and accountability. To reduce weight, we have the example. We know how to go about it, but without consistent time bound action, it never becomes a reality. It may exercise, diet and stress free thoughts. Here is the example for us. What is that? If you want to reduce the weight of us, then you must make your mind. You must exercise you must take the advice of the expertise, which tells the proper diet with you. The second and the third, it is very important, that is stress-free thoughts. आपण अतिशय तणावरहित जीवन किंवा विचारधारा आपल्याकडे असली पाहिजे. And then we can reach at our means that the goal, but it is consistent. What is the consistent tells here? The steady action. What is the word tells here? Steady action. And that steady action means, in our first lecture we have already seen here, is that slow but steady wins the race. And so we have to steady wherever we are. Whatever the particular work of us, we have to do it in time bound. All these have to be practiced and implemented without hesitation, doubt or indifference, but within a deadline. Means deadline. What is that? The limitations with us. The limitations of to do the work in the proper period. And so it is very important that, means after March, one can say you do the homework, do your practice at home, such a type of messages or advice no one will give you after March. You have your period with you, time bound, a year or the particular period up to 1st of March. And you have to do well in your own that the study, in your own career, in your own that the day-to-day life. And the last para from this particular lesson, page number 23, visions, wishes, intentions and dreams are all valuable. They spark of imagination and encourage us to define where we want to reach. In order to get there, however, we need to bring life images down to earth and plan to execute our strategies. The quality and quantity of energy we put forth directly impact the results. Life is something like a trumpet. Very good example with us. If we don't put anything in, we can't get anything out. See students, if you want something, then do the hard work today. There is no shortcut to success. If you want to be successful in your life, there are so many obstacles in it. Overcome it. Do your own, apply your own energy to do well for it. And so here we have to execute. First of all, we have some ideas with us. Then we have to plan these ideas and do the actions, do such the activities which will take you at your own, that the peak point of your life or at the peak of your success. And that's here in this particular paragraph. We have the information about the trumpet. You know trumpet, हवा भरल्याशिवाय त्याचा आवाज येत नाही. And so if we don't put anything in, we can't get nothing out. And the last para, success is a walk in the dark. Finding the right footing precisely, mastering the skills and getting to the next place. All depend on how we approach and tackle the problem. The best way to get from where we are to where we want to be is to find the footing of our next step. When we take the next step, it should support and hold us without a crack. Very good message by this lesson. See, we must have the base. We must have the footing. Must have our own that the foundation of us. And what is the foundation? Foundation, it includes your own that the background, your own that the lifestyle, your own that the inheritance, your own that the father, mother's opinion, the thought-provoking work, or the particular own your thought that is very much important in such the particular period, which will take you at the right path of that the particular thing. And so students, goal setting, it is the beginning. It is the first step to success. You know that well begun is the half done. And so at last, very important that the message by us, that is here, we remind Swami Vivekananda, and in his speech, you know all that Swami Vivekananda means the birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda, we celebrate it as the Yuva Din. And so it is very much important that in the words of Swami Vivekananda, arise, awake, and stop not until your success. It is very important factor. It is very important that the thing with us which will gives us the information about it. And so here means arise, awake, and not stop until the goal reached. उठा, जागे व्हा, आपल्या ध्येय प्राप्तीसाठी थांबू नका, अविरत कार्य करत रहा. Friends, Smart tells us some tips to achieve success in life. At last, I am going to suggest you some tips. First, fix your goal. Start small but continuous efforts. Second, you have to find out the difference between the goal and the wish or the desire. Third, stay focused on your goal. That time, you have to see the obstacles. Fourth, you must have to tell your family about your goal. Fifth, review your plan frequently. See what you have done, what you are going to see, what you are going to do in your remaining part, remaining life, remaining period. And last one, that be yourself. See here, students, give your everything to serve this motherland. Be smart, be smart, be smart. Thank you once again. सांगली शिक्षण संस्था YouTube चॅनल सबस्क्राइब करून बेल आयकॉन प्रेस करा, म्हणजे तुम्हाला पुढील नोटिफिकेशन मिळत राहतील.